Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, from Bag of Dawn at StockMarketCaddy.com. Today is Thanksgiving. It's Thursday at 12:30. And yes, the futures are open. What are you talking about, Bagger? You don't think the banks you don't think the banks are going to leave their accounts exposed to the foreign markets or to anybody, do you? That's only for the sheeple. Now the sheeple, they trade stocks. Gonna buy stocks, gonna sell stocks. They're open from what, 9:30 to 4. You talk about bankers hours. Can you imagine that? That was like in the 1900s, right? And they're still doing it. People are satisfied with that. But the banks, they don't do that, folks. They may own some stock and they sell plenty of stock, but they hedge their portfolios by trading the futures markets. And yes, the futures were open all last night, and yes, they're open today, and it's 12:30, and they might close. I haven't checked the holiday schedule, but at most they might close around 1 o'clock, and yes, they'll be back open at 6 o'clock. They're not going to leave themselves exposed. That's one of the reasons why we like to trade futures. There's a number of reasons, but number one, we're not subject to gap ups and gap downs. You see when you close out your accounts, or the retail crowd close out their stock accounts on, what was it, Wednesday afternoon, half a day, or Wednesday afternoon, then they're closed all day today, and maybe they open tomorrow, and you get the price of wherever the markets are come tomorrow morning. And there isn't a thing you can do about it if you're not trading futures. Not a thing you can do. And same thing with the options market. So we trade with the banks. These markets are highly liquid, meaning that there's very little spread. They move tick for tick. The tick has a value and they move tick for tick. And we're not subject to gaps. And we can play all kinds of markets. And did you see that? Did you see that little position up there? Bank that $400 for me. Thank you very much. That was the machine. See, I was talking. I didn't have my hand on the cursor. That was the machine putting me in, taking me out. Machine trades. Not going to have carpal tunnel on my from grabbing the mouse. We are not a broker or financial advisor. We're not interested in managing your money. We trade our own money for fun and for profit. And yes, we're trading today a little bit. I'm monitoring things. We're gonna have a nice turkey day, though. We're gonna relax, but we got a little one on the stove, so to speak, on this Nasdaq, and making a few shekels. If you want to learn how to trade, not trade the markets, but learn how to trade for a living, and you want to trade not just stocks, not just options, because we trade those too, but you want to learn to trade futures, and you want to learn to trade them intraday, maybe during the day, maybe during the evening or the overnight session, learn how to do a little bit of hedging. We are a mentoring site. We're a place where like-minded people can come together and learn how to trade these markets mechanically. By the way, you're watching what we call the swing machine, and you can see the purse on some of these trades right now. That trade that's up there in that upper left-hand corner is running off of a program that we've written, and it's doing just fine. So I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. If you want to reach out to us, you can contact us through the email site, or see what we're about on the email site. You can send us an email. I'll actually give you my cell phone, 813-758-8263. And yes, if you somehow, some way found us and you want to talk to me on Thanksgiving, I'll take your phone call. If we're not sitting down to dinner or watching a movie or doing something or walking our dog. But you can always call or leave a message, and I can always call you back. Money never sleeps, folks. And we get our sleep. We sleep like babies, sleep real, real sound. 813-758-8263. Have a very nice Thanksgiving, and hopefully we'll hear from you.